1998, it became a very big deal. A series of high-profile incidents involved AI memory crystals literally shattering under extreme conditions. We're not talking about dropping them from a desk. We're talking about scenarios like deep-sea exploration and high-altitude flights. Turns out, the extreme pressure changes in these environments were too much for some crystals to handle. They'd crack, shatter, or even explode, taking all that precious data with them. Imagine a team of researchers exploring the Mariana Trench, only to have their data crystal, containing years of invaluable oceanographic data, implode under the immense pressure. It was a stark reminder that even the most advanced technology has its physical limitations. This led to a wave of research into more durable crystal casings and reinforced designs, pushing the boundaries of material science.
Last but not least, we have the unexpected data wipe of 2050. This one was a real head-scratcher, even for the experts. It seemed like crystals were just randomly wiping themselves clean, with no discernible trigger or pattern. It was like these crystals had developed a mind of their own, deciding to hit the delete button at will. The tech community was baffled. Theories ranged from cosmic rays to subtle electromagnetic interference, but no one could pinpoint the exact cause. This eerie phenomenon led to a sense of unease among users. How could you trust a storage device that could just erase itself without warning? It was a chilling reminder that for all our technological advancements, we're still grappling with the unknown, and sometimes, the most advanced tech can still hold the most unsettling surprises.
So there you have it, guys. 5 shocking AI memory crystal fails that remind us even the most advanced tech can have its hiccups. From data overloads to mysterious wipes, these incidents highlight the importance of careful development, rigorous testing, and maybe a healthy dose of skepticism when it comes to bleeding-edge tech. It's a good reminder that even as we push the boundaries of what's possible, we need to prioritize data security and always have a backup plan. What do you guys think? Which fail surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which fail surprised you the most. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.